We are in Soho. Little office. Few little works in there. I'm double parked. And I'm off. To find a sheet of 12mm MDF. I'm a sheet short, don't know why, but it is what it is. Sometimes these things happen. And if you work in the centre, and I mean the centre of London, there is nothing around for at least a 25-minute radius. There's just nothing. Everything's in all different directions, except where I am, in Soho. So, oh Jesus, look, a few tents out there. Oh my God. God, that was like the slums of London. How is that allowed? We're in like, this is Park Lane. All them tents in Park Lane, and that's acceptable. Anywho, not getting involved. At least they've got a roof over their head. Where was I? I'm en route to Lords, 25 minutes away. I'm about 5 minutes out. They've got sheets of 12mm MDF. I'm gonna go pick one up. They might cut it to size, or I'm gonna have to cull it in the back of the van. We shall see. Get it back to Soho because I've got a busy bloody day, and this is eating up all of my morning. Let's go. Oh, I'm in Notting Hill now, and we have found a single yellow. If my calculations are correct, I'm good on a single for 10 minutes, and I'm hoping there'll only be 5. But I'm sure I'll come back to a clamp or a ticket, but we shall see. Found it. Found it. 12mm MDF. And we found a saw. Just to find a human being. And hopefully we're good. Hello. Hello. Found the gentleman on it. He's on the saw. It's on the saw. Screw secured. PPE's key. I love how you took the horrible edges off as well.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice touch. Beautiful, saved my day. One of the best handles I've ever seen. Tiling trowel. What a nice bunch of people. Took the horrible edge off and even helped me to the van, and I'm in the middle of London. That's nice. Nice touch. Just stopped and got a Wow Hydrate drink. Red cherry. And it's got a Man U badge on it. So I'm kind of thinking it's going to taste like shit. Just because Man U are... I'm a Man U fan. But let's face it. What are we saying then? Oh. Oh, very sweet. Don't like that. No, I'm not having that. Normal water, please. It just tastes like syrup. I've had one of them before, different flavour, and it actually tastes really nice. So yeah, that won't be buying that good. So I'm en route back to the little office job. Tom's there for one day. Henry's there tomorrow and Thursday. Hopefully job done. Got a 25-minute drive, but isn't it always lovely when you go into a builder's merchants and they're accommodating, they're helpful, they want to help. I asked one bloke, can you cut me MDF? He said, no, I've had a big delivery come. All right, I did kind of name drop because I kind of used to know someone very high up in Lords. I said, look, no Jamie? I said, come on, I know him. Come on, come on. And then a bloke said to someone else, this is Jamie's little brother. So I think that helped, but still, don't care. It's still nice to feel welcome. Still nice when they want to help. Nothing worse when you go to give someone your money in a shop and they literally walk past you and like, oh, it's not my job to help you. Well, it is, mate. Anyway, let's get to the job. Still trying to get back to Soho. It's like bloody Piccadilly bloody circus round here. Because it is. Right, we're 5 minutes away. Come on! So Henry, take this off. You want to paint this edge black Paint that edge black. Top is going to be a white side, and this side's going to be painted. May as well paint the skirting as well. And then there's going to be a capping on there to paint both sides here. This paper, scrape off, a little bit of filler, make good a little bit. Don't go too mad because that wall's no good. And then there's going to be a bit down here to do as well. Sorry guys. MDF dropped. Sad about MDF. Makes me so itchy. Always has done. And apparently it's banned in America. Is that true? Does anyone know if that's true? Jump in the comments. Also, while you're jumping in the comments, make sure to hit the subscribe button and start taking this channel very seriously. And I want the motivation to carry on, and the only way of doing that is more subscribers and more interaction from you guys. So don't be shy, jump in the comments, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's get to the next job. 30 minutes away, North London to centre of London. Mad. So I'm in Soho and I'm off to Hampstead, West Hampstead, little area called Swiss Cottage. Got 2 jobs going on there, both neighbours actually. So let's get there and I'll show you around. Change of plan. Ollie needs timber. Quick stop, E.D. Elson's, see me mate Rob. Unfortunately, Rob didn't have the timber I needed. I need 2B1 tannerised timber. He had 2B1 roofing batten, blue treated. And this stuff's actually used, we're using this for hatch doors on a tortoise enclosure, and it's being stained. So I do actually need stuff to match. So I'm off to build base. More running around. Core, am I doing some running around? You need patience in London. Core, do you need patience in London? I missed a turning in central London and I had to go round a bloody block in traffic. It took me 15 minutes just to get to where I was before. But it's lucky I've got patience. All I need now is some food. I'm going to stop and get some food. Let's go find some food. I'm on a health kick, something healthy. Let's go! Bit depressing. I found a co-op. It's hard in London. You either see something you want and there's no parking, or you just got to just make do with where you can conveniently park. And that's what I've done. I'm absolutely starving, and I said I'm trying to eat healthy, so I'm trying to cut out bread, crisps, chocolate, and reduce beer. Not going to cut out beer because we all need beer. So I've gone for a British chicken and pork pasta bowl. I know pasta's not amazing, but I'm just trying to cut out bread and crisps and chocolate. Satay chicken stuff and a Huel. Nutritionist, jump in, tell me how terrible that is. But it's better than a sandwich, a bag of crisps and a chocolate bar in it. I'm gonna eat this and the chicken, obviously protein. I'm gonna try and hit the gym. I'm a member of the gym, been a member for 6 months, but only been once, so I'm working on it. It's all work in progress. Not bad. Let's throw the chicken in there. Actually, I've got a nice sweet chili dip. This is not supposed to be a food review, but I'm on the go and I'm videoing myself doing everything. So cheers. You know what? That was, in my mind, a depressing little pit stop, that. But I think the co-op has pulled it off. I'm going to scran this. I'm 5 minutes from build base. I've got to get to Hampstead. We're busy. Quarter 10 to 12. Let's go. It's the stuff we want. Tannerised, treated 2B1. Get 10 of them on the van, on the roof. Let's go. Got dust for the brickies. Sorting out the chimneys. So we redecorated that one. We done that one 3 weeks ago. Ollie's getting timber off the roof. You good, Ol? Yeah, mate. Say hello to the people. He's got his shades on. He's one cool dude, isn't he? Ollie holiday.
Hey,
Isn't it? Lebo. Last little bay to make good. This was actually painted. When was this? When did you paint this last? When did you paint this last?
4 months ago.
4 months ago. Looks brand new. The client wants it repainted because she painted everyone else, all the other windows. Lovely jubbly, yeah? Hiding behind the bins, John?
Yeah, that's me. Oh no, the boss got me. I'm hiding behind the bins.
It's alright, you're busy, aren't you? What are you up to down there? Hiding? You're all
Yeah.
hiding, aren't you?
I am hiding. Oh no, I'm so. Oh no, boss, please.
All good, John?
Yeah, all good, Scott, mate. Yourself?
Looking better, isn't it?
All good.
Here he is, Ollie the Wally and the tortoise enclosure. Oh, hello.
Hi.
How are we getting on then? It's like Noah's Ark, isn't it? So that was the original one, and then this is the extension. So this is pitched as well. Going to be closed off, 16 gauge mesh, fox-proof, rodent-proof. And we have got a timber capping to go on top of that. We've got these exact same hinges coming today, so we're matching with the original what's there. This bit's pitched, that bit's all flat. And then what? Ollie, do you want to tell the people how that's all going to work? Have we? Where are they going to bifold? So I think Ollie has done this, so they will fold back onto that, and then that will hinge up and come up together. Like that. Yeah. Nice. So basically, this will all be the same, yeah? So we're walking from this way and just back. Yeah, cool. All right, like it. Nice. We've got... Where is he? Where is the boss? What's his name? Whiskers. So we've got to get a special soil up, and we're going to be putting a double socket in here. We've got a heat lamp going on and under soil heating mat. Proper.
I wish I would looked after like this.
I know, where is he?
Hopefully he's into it.
Hopefully. Can't see him.
You got him?
Yeah, we'll get him, we'll do a video of him at the end using his new space. Alright, cool. Also, we've hacked all this off. Didn't you, Lee? Hacked off all this sand cement render. It was cracked, it was horrible, it was damp, and it was blown. So we're going to be putting a new green pistachio K-rend on this, and then we're going to be getting some nice porcelain coping stones. Lee's painting. Looking good, looking good. Look at this frame, look. One frame, one floor, two floor. Nice. Here's one we done earlier. Also doing this as well. Also going to install some drips to these slabs that overhang. They don't overhang enough, but for the works of pulling these railings off, extending these out, putting nice new stones on, they actually overhang nicely with a nice proper drip. Sort of overweighs the sort of benefits, even though they won't have a damp wall. So, tricky. Here he is. Jay the man. Jay the man. Looking good? Nice. Beautiful. Right, we're out of here soon, aren't we? Onto the inside. This brick on edge detail that's going to be raked out, repointed, made good. Literally just full of moss. No pointing left. Also reflaunch it. Try and clean the brickwork up a little bit. Here he is, the legend. Let's see the bricklayers. Lift upon lift. Hello. How we doing? Living the dream. That looks better. Frost, doesn't it?
Yeah, we got held up this morning though.
What, the rain?
No, it wasn't raining until he said the dog was still in bed. We couldn't.
So we are doing all the external decorations on this one. Windows, woodwork, masonry sills, brickwork. Yes, I know brickwork shouldn't be painted, but it was originally painted, and we're just giving it a freshen up. Put the pebble dasher on the front, which we're also done. Got a few upgrades happening inside also. we've got a 6-inch extractor fan to drill through in this wall here. Electricians coming tomorrow to do a few various things. Job's a good one. Beautiful. Like I said, this is the one we done earlier. My 100th shop of the day. I'll get some more bits and bobs. So that shop, Leyland, caught everything I buy in there. It breaks me heart because I feel like they charge you double what everyone else does. Well, not everyone else, but double what I can get it for, like, around town. So I just picked up a few bits for Henry for the morning because he's gonna be getting the training, because driving there is just, as you see from today, more hassle than it's worth. Plus there's no parking, we're not getting a ticket. And so yeah, I've just got a few little bits and bobs. Got some satin wood quick drying, nice undercoat, it's 2-part filler. So I'm sure Tom's gonna be putting some machine gun bullets in it everywhere. So yeah, give that to him, put it in a nice little bag for the train tomorrow. No rest for the wicked. It's 3:10. I've got to run off. I've got to load some bits up from the lockup. I've got to load the van up with my big boy drill. Got to bore out a wall tomorrow for a 6-inch extractor fan. I believe it's a 13-inch wall as well. So get all them bits out of there, have all that in the van ready for the morning. Also, what else have I got to do? I've got to do emails tonight. Just got a phone call from a client that we're doing work on. So my client loves one of my painters. She likes all my painters, but she loves one of my painters. And I was pulling that painter off her job tomorrow to spend a day or two at the office job painting the bits of MDF, making it look a little bit tidy. I only was going to pull him off because he's familiar with the office. He's been there before, he knows where it is, he knows the crack. Just got a phone call, she's not happy. So I just spoke to Henry and he said he's not here tomorrow, you're taking him somewhere else. And I was just like, I just said I've got to try and keep everyone happy. That is my job. I am like a football manager. I've got pawns in places and they've got to be moved, they've got to be shuffled, but it's got to flow well, and I've got to try and keep everybody happy. And that's one of the biggest challenges of the job, I think. You've got getting paid being number one, you've got consistency with your workforce, which I think I'm very lucky with, to be honest. I've got a great team around me. Finding new guys is another topic altogether, but keeping everyone happy, I think, is one of the biggest tasks out there. So I've done some shuffling. Henry's staying there. Johnny and his stepson, yeah, Colin. They're going to go to the office. He's not too happy about it, but it is what it is. So yeah, I might show you me loading up down the lockup. I might leave it here, but make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video and make sure you leave a comment. Please let me know what you think. I'm going to really try and push my long form content, so please enjoy it. I'm here for the long run. Press subscribe, press the bell button. I will see you very, very soon. Ciao Bella.